Assam jitu Pradesh Congress Committee direction mote aji ami protest march logote SPA office ghera program asile ami Congress office or pora ita ami second police point lo ahi paise kintu yat amak rokhai dia babe ami agbaribo para nai aru ami jitu BJP recently police jitu appointment itu ami ninda korisu aru itu ami protest korisu itu jitu henti rohoiso itu jitu plan jitu henti korise itu ami oppose korisu karon they have a secret agenda je henti RSS Nagpur jitu direction mote amar home sarkar Sarbananda Sonowale cholai ase itu ami condemn korisu je they are running the government as per the direction of the RSS which they have been instructing. So this where they want to fill up the whole police department with the RSS cadre. This is purely condemnable, and we as a Congress party condemn this act of the Assam government which they are practicing now.